can decide to just snack on it like this, or eat it with sauce, anything that you want. It tastes so good, guys. It tastes so good. So guys, for our roasted potatoes, here is all we need. Here I have 2 potatoes, 2 sweet potatoes, and I have my coconut oil. Yeah, this is a organic coconut oil, and I also have my basil. That's all we need for this recipe. So guys, I'm going to start by peeling my potatoes. I have a bowl of water here. I'm going to be putting the potato inside the water. Guys, I had to change my knife. The other one wasn't doing a great job at all. Just cut it any size that you want. This is the size I went for, not that big. You can as well leave it like this. It depends on how you want it. As for me, I just want it to be a little bit small. So I'm using 2 potatoes, yeah. Okay, there's little skin. You can just decide to remove the little skins. Okay. So guys, my potato is washed now. I'm just going to be drying it with a paper towel. Just to remove the excess water. That's it. So I forgot to show you guys the salt before. So we are going to be adding salt. You can decide to skip salt if you don't like salt in your food. And coconut oil. Coconut oil. Guys, coconut oil take your potato to another level. If you have not tried, I even add coconut oil to my Irish potatoes. You just take it to another level, guys. I think I'll be adding a little bit more. A little bit more. And then the other magic spice is a basil. I always like basil with my potatoes. Just have to be generous with it. Just have to be generous. Wow, look at that, guys. Just take a look. Just take a look at this. I'm going to be adding more basil. going to be popping this inside the oven, guys. So guys, after about 40 minutes our potato is ready. Well, just take a look at that. It looks so good. This is what it's looking like. You can decide to just snack on it like this, or eat it with sauce, anything that you want. It tastes so good, guys. It tastes so good. So guys, this is the end of the video. I'm going to be eating it with egg sauce right now with my daughter. This is our lunch. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.